Welcome friends, we are starting a new course on intellectual property portfolio management. I will be your instructor for this particular course. I am Professor Rajat at IIT Roorkee. I am also DP IIT IPR Chair Professor at IIT Roorkee. We all know that we are moving into knowledge economy. Knowledge is going to be a very important asset in this competitive world. And one of the very important form of knowledge is intellectual property. You need to protect your intellectual property and then use this protected intellectual property for your competitive advantage, for getting more and more success in this competitive world. And therefore, there are organizations which are creating huge amount of intellectual property. There are countries which are creating huge amount of intellectual property. And we used to say that we need to be IP savvy country, IP savvy organization, IP savvy institute, etc. So when you are continuously creating huge amount of IP, lot of IP is created, you develop a portfolio of IP. And that is what is the essence of this particular course on IP portfolio management. During this course, in 40 lectures, we will be understanding basic principles of portfolio management. We will see different aspects of that, how to keep your various assets in your portfolio, how to use your portfolio for the strategic advantage. We will see different types of IP assets, primarily patents, trademarks, design, etc. And we will see that how organizations are using their portfolio for various type of business advantage. Maybe it is related to getting more investment. Maybe it is related to developing a goodwill for yourself. All these different aspects will be covered during these 40 lectures. We will all be talking about some of the important case studies, that how organizations like Apple, Qualcomm, etc., how countries like China, etc., USA, Korea, they have become leaders in this knowledge economy era. And therefore, this course is going to provide you to understand the basics of IPR also on one side, and on the other side, use of these IPR assets for your business advantage. The course is divided over 40 lectures, and we will be having weekly quizzes and term examinations, and we hope that whatever we are going to provide you in this particular course, that is just one aspect. But during these lectures, I will also be talking about various hands-on exercises which you can practice on your own, because we will be talking about different databases where you can see various IP related reports. So you need to do lot of activities on your own so that you can understand the uses of those databases for better IP portfolio management. So I look forward your active participation in this particular course, and I hope you will have a very enjoyable learning experience during this course. Welcome to this course on IP portfolio management.